Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Stumble Guys notifications. To know how to fix or how to solve Stumble Guys notifications, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list, you will search about this window of Stumble Guys. Then in this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Stumble Guys and you can click here update if you will find it in this blue sign to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.